food bar is really good. They have really good wraps and stuff. The wraps and stuff are good. No, but they have like salads and stuff. They have really good stuff.